Welcome to Royal Enfield Classic 500. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Remove the front mounting nut along with stud using 13 mm spanner from both sides of the seat. Remove the rear mounting bolt and nut using 12 mm spanner from both sides of the seat. Remove the seat. Disconnect the fuel pump socket. Disconnect the fuel hose. Using 10 mm spanner, loosen and remove the fuel tank mounting bolts along with its washers. Lift the fuel tank by pulling backwards to disconnect the low fuel indicator switch connector. Remove the fuel drain hose. Remove the evaporative hose. Remove the fuel tank. Loosen the accelerator main cable locking screw and move the locking plate outward. Loosen the accelerator return cable nut using a 14 mm spanner. Remove the two screws from the switch mounting assembly. Using 10 mm spanner, remove the two bolts from the utility box. Remove the utility box. Remove the two bolts from the utility box bracket. Remove the utility box bracket. By using 12 mm spanner, loosen the return accelerator cable outer nut. Pull out the return accelerator outer cable from the bracket. Remove the return accelerator inner cable from the throttle body. By using 12 mm spanner, loosen the main accelerator cable outer nut. Pull out the main accelerator outer cable from the bracket. Remove the main accelerator inner cable from the throttle body. Remove the main and return accelerator inner cable from the throttle rotor. Remove the main and return accelerator outer cable from the switch mounting. Remove the old damaged accelerator cable from the motorcycle. Note: always replace with a Royal Enfield recommended throttle cable assembly. Route the new accelerator cable through the steering stem. Install the main and return accelerator outer cable into the switch mounting. Connect the main and return accelerator inner cable in the throttle rotor. Note: ensure the switch mounting pin is properly inserted into the handlebar hole. Assemble the switch mounting into the handlebar. Install the two screws into the switch mounting assembly. Move the locking plate inward direction and lock with accelerator cable. Tighten the accelerator return cable nut using 14 mm spanner. Connect the main inner accelerator cable into the carburetor. Connect return accelerator cable into the carburetor. Check and adjust the accelerator cable play and tightness. Finally, tighten the accelerator cable lock nut. Install the utility box bracket. Tighten the two bolts using 10 mm spanner. Install the utility box. Tighten using 10 mm spanner. Locate the fuel tank on the frame, ensuring the front sockets in the fuel tank are correctly located over the rubbers in the frame. Lift the fuel tank by pulling backwards to connect the water evaporative hose. Connect the drain hose and route it properly through the rear side. Connect the low fuel indicator switch connector. Install the fuel tank mounting bolts along with its washers using 10 mm spanner. Connect the main fuel hose to the fuel tank. Connect the fuel pump connector to the fuel pump. Locate the seat. Ensure the lugs are properly located in the bracket. Install the rear mounting bolts and nuts on both sides using 12 mm spanner. Install the front mounting studs and nuts on both sides using 13 mm spanner. That's it. You have done the throttle cable replacement.